There was a home, quiet on the outside, but a storm was forming inside. The wife suddenly began feeling unappreciated. Doubts were rising in her heart, and she didn't understand why. She didn't know that a certain man had been whispering poison into her ears every day. He would say to her, "You deserve better. Your husband doesn't value you. You are wasting your life in this house." Soft words, but carrying the sting of destruction. Slowly, suspicion filled her heart. The husband was confused, wondering what had changed so suddenly. And the entire home began to burn in a silent fire lit by someone from the outside. One day, she remembered the words of the Prophet ﷺ, "Whoever corrupts a servant against his master, or a wife against her husband, is not from us." Sunan Abu Dawud 5170, Silsila as Sahiha 324. These words shook her deeply. She understood that a home breaks only when an outsider's tongue finds space in the heart. Islam is a religion that builds homes, and the one who destroys a family does not belong to the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.